Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel MobiTouch Phone Repairs. So today what we are going to do is change the screen on a OPPO A58 4G. So the number on this one, it says like uh, CPH 2577. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing what we need to do is remove this back cover. So if you can see here, this is the cover we need to remove. So what we need is a little bit of opening, and then okay, first we need to give some heat so it loosen up a little bit of the glue, and then once you get this opening, the whole thing is like once you get an opening, it's very easy. um, Done. So just be very gentle. Let's move this thing away and also move these things away. We don't need these. So so this was the cable I was talking about. Like, if you, for example, if you went in a little bit more inside, you could have broken this cable. um, okay, these are not expensive, but the point is, like, it's pretty hard to get them, so it takes time. You have to wait for so long to get this cable, so it's better you just be careful in what we do. And this is a cover which came off, so just leave it aside. Now what we need is a Phillips screwdriver, and we need to undo all the screws. So how many screws we have here? So we need to do all. It may take a little bit of patience to do this, so take your time. So the good thing about Oppo, what I noticed is like the batteries. The batteries are very long lasting. So if you charge, it's better than, like, most of the um, manufacturers. Okay, now once I undo all these things, the other thing is, like, we need to remove the SIM tray. So make sure you don't lose the SIM card. Just keep it aside, um, and then once you do that, we need to find like a small opening. See, like this, and then remove this bit here slowly and steadily. Use your finger, and you should be very gentle because this is connected to the power button. So make sure you'll remove slowly so that you don't break this wire. And these cables are like paper, so you can easily tear this one off. So just make sure you don't. It's all. This job is a very. You need to be very gentle, as if like you're doing a surgery. Also, I would like to read. Recently, I liked one of the quotes, which I really liked it. Uh, I'll just try to read that one for you. So, someone out there is holding their breath, waiting for you to fail. Someone out there is holding. I'll just share this one with you. So, someone out there is holding their breath, waiting for you to fail. Make sure they suffocate. That's a good one. Right. Okay. Now, what the next step? What we have to do is we need to disconnect the battery. So that's the disconnect the battery, and now we have to give some heat to the battery, and then we remove the battery. So I'll just put it on the uh, heating plate. So what I'm going to do is remove this bit here, and there is a pull tab, so hopefully we can just pull the battery like this. That's it. We just pull the battery, and then and that's the battery. So you just put it back, keep it in a safe corner, and then that's one of the material here. uh, yeah. Now, okay, let's see where the screen is. So the screen is here, as you can see. So we need to disconnect the screen. Okay, remove. So this is how the screen is connected. If you look at this, the screen is connected here. So what we have to do is like heat this bit here and remove this screen. So let me heat this one up. Okay, so we got some sort of heat here. So I'm just trying to find the opening here as well, as the same as what we have done at the back of the phone. So let me try like a sesame tool. That's it. See this one? Once we find this opening, and make sure you use like your eye protection, because it's glass, so it may fly when you try to force this one in. So just, and especially when there is a crack, um, there are some cracks, so you need to be very gentle. You don't want to hurt yourself. See, this is a very small glass, so I would be very careful, and make sure like you remove all the glasses a little bit, small pieces, so that you can add the glue in. Yeah, so that's your old screen. I'll just move this one away. Right, so try to clean it up, so it's easy for the glue to settle in. So we'll just clean this one up. So this is the new screen what we have. So let's make sure it sits properly. Yeah, that sits pretty good. Yeah, that is pretty good. So what I want to do is like, before I install this one, I want to test it. So let's see if we can test this screen. Okay, so that's connected temporarily. Now we need the battery to power this one on. So let's connect the battery as well. So the battery is connected. Now the power button. There is a small black button. I think there is the battery is low. So let's try to connect the charger. I just want to make sure like the screen is working. So as you can see, there is a symbol that means like the screen is working. So that's more than enough for us to say that like, okay, that screen is a working screen. So let's go back and disconnect the battery, and let's put it back. So I'll just remove the battery, and then I'll just remove the screen, so that what we can do is we can just remove all the plastics. We don't need any plastic on this one. So all the plastic has been removed, and now what we need to put is a little bit of glue in the corners. So you can do two things, like you can just put the glue on the screen itself. So let me do this. And then what I can do is, like, I can just add a little bit of glue here. If you can see, a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue here. That's it. So I think that should be more than enough for us. uh, yeah, I'll just add a little bit of glue here, here. Done. So done. Now what we can do is, like, use the screen, uh, and insert the cable in, and what that's it. It's all done now. So make sure, like, it sits properly. Yes, I think it sits properly. um, and then the cable should be, yeah, done. And now what we do is we just put this one back here. It's a done deal. Now the battery goes back as normal with the connection, that connected, and this one goes back as normal. And now we can connect this one back, so everything is back. So I can connect the power. That's the power button, I think. And then yeah, that's it. So now I'll try to close this one. Yes. Now what we are going to do is, like, put all the screws back. The way we removed the screws, we will put it back. So yep, so we are pretty much done with this. Now other thing I would like to do is, like, um, insert the SIM card back into um, so that the SIM card goes in. The SIM card goes in. That's it. And then what we have to do is, like, this back onto this thing. So now what I will do, I'll just put some heat onto this one. So I have given a little bit of heat here, and now I'll be using these rubber bands to hold that glue in. Now let's see if we can turn this one on. Let me charge this one and then show you. Um, okay, yeah, we can just charge this one. Yep, as you can see, the symbol is charging. So yeah, perfect. That's a repair for a A58 5G screen replacement. Thank you.